Let's give Milo a chance to look around too.
I'm giving some tomorrow dollar pie for him. Whoa. This is a giant egg. One can take is in here.
Yes, I can. Nope. Milo. Milo. Milo, look up here. See it? Okay, Kai. Come back. Let's have Milo go in the kitchen first. So that way he has a chance to see the things first if there happens to be any eggs there. Milo, look around. Look around. Do you see any eggs? Yay! Yay!
Milo just found 2 more eggs, but I only found 1 egg.
What? There are more eggs.
You
have to look up and around and all different places.
Did he hide in
I don't think so.
Mommy, can we look outside?
Not yet. We have to find all the eggs in the house first.